Hi, today I will help you to fix the hunchback in your upper back. Okay, so we all, every human, we have the tendency to have this curve in the back because the gravity. The problem is, if we keep the configuration posture like this, we will crystallize the muscles like that. So, in this will affect whole body, will affect the center of gravity, your abs. You have probably pain in the upper back. So the first exercise, very simple, to open up the chest is bringing thumbs to the wall behind you. This will open up your chest. So imagine you want to show your heart to the ceiling. Thumbs going to the wall behind you. Okay, another angle. Thumbs to the wall behind me. I hold, showing the chest to the ceiling. Okay? Simple, you can include that in your daily life. You're bringing together the shoulder blades. Hold here 5 breaths. Feel the strength in your upper back. Okay? Other one, using this roll. The idea is to bring it in your upper back. So not on your neck, not under the neck, not like this. Neither in the lower back, okay? Avoid, keep it in your lower back. Just between the shoulder blades. You can go back and forth like just to accommodate, just to find a good spot. Relaxing here, your arms, your head. If it's not comfortable for your head, you can use a block or can hold with your hands. And one important detail here is to keep some strength in your abs. You're bringing your ribs down, okay? Just that you can stay here, let the gravity act over the body. You can stay at least 10 breaths, then come up, rest for a while, okay? Just to decompress. It's not a lymphatic massage, it's just to decompress those vertebrae there, okay? This roll can be used as well for lymphatic massage. I can use squeezing my leg, for example. I can squeeze the side of my body. But this is another thing. Do you want to learn yoga with me? Improve your alignment, your mobility, your breathing? Become my student. Visit patreon.com/BrunoYogi.